but foreign national, but maybe. Wala naman siguro American, right? No. Or European. I don't think so. I don't know. So, importanteng malaman yung 71 na yun. Yeah. So this really clearly undermines public confidence in our institutions and government. And in places, it places our national security at risk. So those who facilitated, those who planned it, those who conspired, and those who helped and aided these acts, they must face the consequences of their illegal and criminal behavior and action. So I don't think, and I think the Filipino people must expose, and we must not suffer in silence and be victimized by another Alice Go. Yes.
Napanood niyo ang video po from PTV. Napanood niyo po yung video ng Al Jazeera, yung documentary na po, na parang pinload doon na spy si Guo. And ma'am, kayo ba personally, sa mga nangyaring hearings, convinced ba kayo na talagang Chinese spy si Alice?
Unless I have the proof, I cannot say it with certainty. But she looks like, she acts like, but definitely she is a coddler, right, of illegal criminal syndicates like the Pogo. Whether she was placed here as a spy, I don't want to assume when I don't have factual basis. But definitely she was placed here by criminal syndicates, and she's been coddling them, and she is part of them. But she looks like a spy, acts like one, lies like one.
So magandang may for sumami yun, yung sinabi ng isang self-confessed Chinese spy,
Yeah.
SPA din si Alice.
Yes. That's a good lead. And how many more? I'm sure isa lang yung nahuli, isa lang yung hinihidalaan, ilan pa. Yeah. And even in business, perhaps, we should look at that. Yeah. So, this resolution is very important. And as a senator, of course, we should investigate it in aid of legislation. So what legislation will come out of this? That we will have to assess.
So may wala pang schedule ng hearing ng Bureau 1?
According to Senator Pia, she conducted 2 hearings based on previous resolutions, and she can take this into consideration or perhaps conduct another hearing depending on the chair and come up with a committee report. Give you a copy of the joint resolution. Okay na.
Isa na lang,
Hindi maginaw dito.
na maulit yung nangyari na pagdating sa BICAM, may mga nai-insert na hindi alam ng ibang mga members.
Simple. We should just all be given a copy of the BICAM report. And we should see and compare it with what we passed in the Senate.
Pero usually wala na kayong time para bibigay that day.
Prior to
O
ratification.
paano pipirmahan?
No. During my time, and you can call Attorney Doblon, I would be given the authority to do the BICAM, right? Small committee. Then, ang House may amendments, ako may amendments. 24 senators, okay? Then, El Berimo would do a matrix of all the changes, the programs, the departments, and the amounts. Every change, I ask why. I ask my counterpart. Then I either agree or disagree, and so that I know. So that para sagot ko lahat ng BICAM changes. So that's a suggestion. That is what I used to do.
Pero kung nangyayari kasi morning magbabaycam, afternoon ratification na kaagad.
Parang wala nang time yung mga
That's why I would ask that we know the changes between what we pass in the Senate and the BICAM report, which will be ratified, the major changes, major or minor changes.
So bigyan pa ng enough time yung mga member ng
To know, yes. Because we approve this. What if what we will approve in the BICAM is not the same?
Like ma'am yung AKAP budget, diba? Lahat
Yes.
na bilat na merong AKAP.
Yes.
Sa COMELEC, 25 billion, no? Pati COMELEC, ma'am.
Yeah. Although to be fair, yung AKAP naman, That's really social services. Diba? To be fair. Because my brother has AKAP in Antique na pupunta sa mahirap. To be fair.
Pero ma'am, it was not deliberated on sa committee level and even during your
Because the AKAP,
sa plenary.
the AKAP is a house program that they did for all congressmen. Not that I'm defending them, so that I understand. In short, there's a bulk of an allocation for the House amendments, dun nila sinabsum. Because my brother tells me, manang may AKAP. Oh, very good. O, DSWD, ganun. Nakakatulong sa tao. To be fair, ha?
Pero to remove doubts and
Oo. Siyempre, information is key. Kaya nga we're back there. Communications and information are key. Okay.